All right, welcome. Good morning. So we are looking at the Bitcoin chart here, and it looks like we are starting to see some dip here. If we go below this area, 22,300, we could go much lower. We'll see what happens if we bounce off of here and go up. That would be very positive. But let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin predictions. So this is February 9th, and this is not financial or investment advice. I'm Jack. I'm an engineer gone crypto astrologer and transformational coach, and view this video with an open mind. So the Bitcoin astrology, let's see, February 8th, we saw some very positive astrology, Venus sextile Uranus. We didn't get a major pump or anything, but basically themes that we've been working towards come true, and that's in general. Actually, that's general astrology, but the Bitcoin astrology, February 10th through 19th, we have a bit of a positive aspect there. However, when we look at the global astrology, February 10th, we got a lot of intensity coming up here. So tomorrow, Mercury is conjuncting Pluto. That's kind of transforming what we think and what we believe. Mercury is also the planet of the markets, so there's going to be major transformative energy in the markets. We definitely could see some dips here. This is intense. So, and then February 11th, Pluto is going into the 29th degree. Whenever a planet goes to 29 degrees, it just gets heightened, just more and more intense. And Pluto is already an extremely intense planet. And it's transiting Capricorn, so the structures of our life and reality is kind of crumbling in some ways. And so this could bring some more intense world events. Okay, so we need to be cautious about that. February 11th, Mercury transits 0 degrees after 2 months in Capricorn. Whenever this happens, there's usually a major market shift. So honestly, we could definitely see like a major dump here. Nothing to freak out about. This is kind of expected. Bitcoin could see a correction down to 18,000 even, somewhere around there. So it could be a great buying opportunity. February 16th, the sun is conjunct Saturn in Aquarius, so this could mean hard lessons in crypto, because Aquarius is the sign of crypto and technology, and Saturn usually contracts, usually brings a contraction. So we could see some more hard lessons in crypto. We could see a major dip here. Once again, could be a great buying opportunity. February 19th, a new moon in Pisces. We could see a dump there. I could look deeper into that astrology as well on that new moon. And then, which is most concerning, is the last week of February through March. We're going to see some major changes, most likely. We're going to see heightened intensity as Pluto continues to transit into the last degree of Capricorn, at 29 degrees. And we could see potential escalations in the WAR. I think you know what I'm saying there. I don't think I'm allowed to even say the countries that are involved, but you can read through the lines. We could see more world escalations with that. There's an astrologer who is looking deeply into that, and he was saying that the end of February into March might not be the best. Okay, and then additionally, February 14th, I looked at the astrology on the NASDAQ chart. Okay, then it's all the technology stocks. And February 14th through April, that's quite a long time. Uranus is conjunct the NASDAQ Saturn. So that could be negative and destabilizing energy. So we could see a big dump in the NASDAQ, which would inevitably affect crypto. So if that happens, it could happen anywhere from February 14th through April 8th. So it could happen in March, probably more likely in March. So we'll really see how things escalate here, what happens. But I think it's a good reason to be cautious, but also to see these as potential great buying opportunities if we see major dips. So could be, it's not financial advice, but could be a really good idea to have a lot of cash, a lot of dry powder ready for action. Okay, so conclusions are: could we see major dips in the coming months? I would say that's very likely, according to the astrology, as well as the macro. I mean, with the Fed hiking rates, like there's so much potential volatility, there's so much unknown, and things are not looking good overall macroeconomics wise. Also potentially, yeah, great buying opportunities. Okay, so these are the times when we want to buy, when there's maximum fear. You know, we want to buy when things are low, and then we want to sell high. So that's the really tricky thing. So this is not all negative. This is potentially very positive if you look at these as great buying opportunities. All right, so please like and share this video. You know, a lot of high value here. Share this with someone who might benefit, friends or family, and please subscribe to this video or to this YouTube channel. I'll be coming out with a lot more videos like this with predictions on the crypto market, as well as I'll be coming out with some more spirituality videos because, you know, we are spiritual beings having a physical experience. So it's important to really look at the broad picture of things. All right, so I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk soon.